Hello, my name is Olesya Nikolenko and I am the owner and creator of Mosaic Professionals. Today I would like to show you how to make a beautiful geometry design using pigment and color gel. There is no glitter gel on the market that can give you so volumetric and texture silver effect like a silver pigment. The application method is a little bit special. You need to stay on the special pattern and apply pigment very accurately. First, I applied a deep violet gel paint called Fashion Purple and overlaid it with the Crystal Water top gel. This top gel is very liquid and makes a very thin layer, so my design won't affect the nail thickness. I cured top gel 50 seconds in the LED lamp and applied snow white gel paint. Take your time. Make nice geometrical pattern. Now I cured it 30 seconds more in the LED, so my gel paint and top gel are both cured together. Now be very accurate and precise. Don't put too much pigment on the brush. Pick just a little bit and work with small portions. Better make 3-5 applications. If you take too much pigment, it will definitely go over the top gel surface, and it will be very hard to wipe it out of there. Before you remove the pigment excess from the nail, clean the duster brush, like that. I will add some white lines for geometric contrast and overlay everything with a top gel. Here it is very important to wipe the brush of the top gel after every application, so you keep it clean in the bottle and also don't spread the pigment on the nail surface. Work accurately and create beautiful designs with Mosaic. Click here to check my other videos and subscribe to my channel to become a pro with Mosaic Professionals.